gotta know your hair and you gotta do what works for you better, and what type of grid would work better for you. Alright y'all, so I'm back. It's the next day and it's way into the next day already, but I have started parting my hair, so I just wanted to come and show you the parting. I showed you the whole grid system already, so I just wanted to show you how I've parted the first section. So so here and here, because I have extra hair in those areas, I just put some mini twists back there. Now I know they're very tiny right now, so I mean I'm gonna watch them and see how they swell, but I wouldn't be surprised if eventually I may have to actually combine them. But for now I am putting them there because otherwise it would make my other sections too big, and I don't have any in the middle, so I just figured it's better for the parting system. So I have this, and then I have 4 sections that I pre-parted and twisted. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I pre-parted and twisted to make sure that I'm getting a consistent size, and I'm gonna use that as my guide for the other rows as I go along. So I just wanted to show you so far how I've parted it. I'm gonna go ahead and start installing, and then I will come back and show you what it's looking like once I'm done with that first section. All right guys, are you guys dirty? Hold on. Okay, so yes, you can see my mirror back there, but I am almost done with the first section, and I just wanted to come and show you how I was doing it because I don't think I mentioned the method of installation I was using this time. So for my first 2 lock journeys, I did use the interlocking method. This time I'm using a combination between a braid and a twist. So you probably know what that means. Basically I am starting off the twist with braids, and then I am a little bit. So I'm starting off with braids and I'm finishing off with the 2-strand twist, and as I am twisting I am gonna be like twisting the strands to make it like a rope, and then I finish the twist with a slight braid at the end to prevent unraveling. So that's what I'm using. So I just wanted to show you quickly on camera how I do it. I'm gonna turn around because I have my mirror back there. Hopefully I'm in focus. Yes I am. I can't see. Okay. So this is my last section here, so I'm gonna take that, and I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna braid, and I do it like 6 times. Okay, so now, let me just step away a little bit. Okay, so now that I'm done with my braid, I take the 3 individual strands. I take the middle strand, which is right here, and I'm gonna try to split that in 2, and then just see. So now I have 2 strands, and then I'm just gonna start twisting. So as I go, I'm twisting each strand. I don't know if you can see, but I'm twisting each strand as I twist to create that rope-like twist. And I do that. Okay, now once I've reached here, I don't know if you can see that, but once I've reached here, I combine the twists, and then, hold on. Yes. Sorry, that was my mom. Okay, so now that I'm done with the twist, you see I have 2 individual strands here, so I'm gonna put that together. And y'all, again, I apologize if you're hearing noise because, as I always say, there's always noise going on outside every time I decide to film, without fail, so I've given up hope. Okay, so I'm taking the 2 individual strands, I am combining them, right, and then I am trying to split it in 3, just 3 little sections here like that, and then I'm gonna braid it just a few times down, just like that, to secure the twist. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I was trying to maintain the like you know, that straight grid, like deadlock grid, where you have everything matching horizontal and vertical. But you know what, you got to know your hair and you got to do what works for you. Let me take this mirror. You got to know your hair and you got to do what works for you better, and what type of grid would work better for you. So because of that, I know that my hair is very thin around the perimeters of my head, like the front, the edges, the back are all thin areas, and so I'm not trying to install my locks too small to maintain a grid, only to know that I'm gonna have to combine it at some point in the future, because my hair, again, around the perimeters of my hair are very fine and thin. I don't think I'm gonna be counting. I don't have any idea how many locks is in this section. I really don't want to count. I'll probably save that for later on. I just really want to get started because, like I said, I started later than expected. Had I already made up my mind I was gonna do my locks this week, I probably would have started earlier this week, but then I kept going back and forth between maybe doing the silk press and all that stuff. So now it's the end of the week and I'm trying to like get this all done, hopefully in a few days. So this is what the section is looking like right now. Focus. And yeah, I'm gonna keep going and I'll come back as I progress along. I think installing this section took me about 30 minutes, I want to say, because I think I started at 2:15. It's now 3 o'clock, well 3:05, so I want to say it took me about 30-45 minutes, give or take, for this small section. So it's probably going to be a journey, it's going to be a ride, but I'm down for it. Alright y'all, so I have completed 3 sections of my hair. It is now 10:35. I've been installing my hair off and on since 3:15 in the afternoon, so it's been sporadic because of other things I've had to do. But yeah, I think that's it for now. I am done installing for the day. So let's see. So section, and I've done these 2 sections. So yeah, I'm hot, I'm tired. I think I'm gonna call it quits for now, and we'll pick back up tomorrow. So yeah y'all, day 1 of installation done, and installation time on day 1 took about 3 hours 10 minutes off and on, but I was calculating my time, so a total of 3 hours 10 minutes to part and install and all of that stuff. So